I drank cucumber water for 30 days and experienced 4 life-changing benefits. Cucumber water is a healthy and refreshing beverage that can boost hydration and wellness. A 30-day trial of drinking cucumber water revealed amazing benefits. The water not only helps in depuffing eyes and dipping into hummus but also improves skin health. The benefits were discovered during a wedding planning process, as a radiant bride's glowing complexion is a priority. The journey of drinking cucumber water can be a great way to boost your wellness. The advantages of drinking cucumber water that I noticed were: Number 1, drinking cucumber water made my skin look younger and more radiant overall. When I spend a lot of time in the summer sun and when I'm exposed to cold temperatures in the winter, my skin becomes quite dry. By consuming this easy recipe of cucumber-infused water, my skin appeared more moisturized and overall healthier. I'm not sure if it was just a wonderful month overall, but I had clear, flawless skin in addition to a more radiant complexion. My face doesn't often break out much, but for the month that I followed a regular cucumber water routine, my face appeared especially clear and refreshed. It took me around 2 weeks to see a difference in the texture of my skin. Since then, I've discovered that cucumbers are a great source of silica, which has numerous advantages for your skin. From Amy Goodson, Mississippi, RD, CSSD, LD, a registered dietitian and certified expert in sports dietetics who serves on our medical expert board. Vitamin B5 is another ingredient found in cucumbers that may assist with acne. Number 2, I drank considerably more water than usual because of that. Cucumber flavored water. Although I've always liked to drink a lot of water during the day, I don't always remember to refill my glass, especially when I have a full workday ahead of me. Furthermore, plain old water might get rather boring. I therefore made the decision to add some visual appeal and refreshment to my regular H2O by switching it up to cucumber water. This made me look forward to waking up every morning, which made me more likely to consistently refill my glass. I must admit, though, that during the summer, when I'm craving something ultra refreshing and thirst quenching, cucumber water tastes much better to me. The process was made oh so easy by the fact that I was conveniently picking up cucumbers at the farmer's market below my flat. Cucumber water has a few drawbacks, the main one being that it is regarded as a diuretic, which basically means it can make you urinate more. And I urinate a lot already. While the drink will help your body eliminate toxins, consuming large amounts of it, especially close to bedtime, may result in increased urination. I must admit that I did not appreciate this element of my recently discovered beverage. Number 3, maintaining this healthy practice was made simple by how simple it was to prepare. In the summer heat, I drank a fresh pitcher of cucumber water every day, which makes about 6 large glasses. Cucumber water was ready to pour first thing in the morning because I had made it the night before. The procedure went more than smoothly. After purchasing the cucumber, I sliced it, placed the slices in the pitcher with water, and refrigerated the pitcher. And that's it. The fact that I didn't even need to peel the cucumber pleased me. Because, let's face it, if a wellness trend requires a lot of work, it probably won't be sustainable over time, no matter how healthy it is. I found that adding ginger, lemon, and mint to cucumber water is a rather frequent practice. To truly make your day, you may even go all out and purchase a mason jar mug and some lime green straws. Number 4, it lessened bloating in the abdomen. My stomach reacts negatively to so many foods and beverages I consume, including pasta, sauces, and seltzer, which causes unavoidable bloating. But drinking cucumber water really did help reduce the bloat, which was quite helpful the weekend before my wedding. Goodson responded to my question about why this was happening by saying, cucumber water may help with digestion thanks to the fiber content in cucumbers. It can lessen bloating and encourage regular bowel motions. Goodson also mentioned how low in calories cucumber water is, making it a far better option than high-calorie and/or high-sugar beverages, particularly while controlling your weight. It can be a helpful option if you're looking to manage your calorie intake, Goodson said. I may not be the only one who enjoys drinking cucumber water, but I'm definitely hooked. I'm motivated to add more simple routine-enhancing behaviors like this one because I was able to maintain this healthy practice for a full 30 days. I'm going to refill my cucumber water, so come back soon.